I'm not sure if I'm live yet. Usually I'm live way before I think I am. Um, Hopefully I'll be live here in just a second. All right. Well, greetings, Facebook friends out there. Sorry, I never can tell exactly when I'm live. It's always like a delay. But anyway, I did a segment for a radio show this weekend that I thought was pretty interesting. In the top, I guess it's 12 projects, remodels that get you the most return on your investment in resale, according to NAR, the National Association of Realtors. Did a whole hour on it, but only gonna do a couple minutes here. So, all my realtor friends out there, you're probably pretty well versed in this, but see if how you stack up according to what their study was. I agree with most of it, but not all of it. I'm going to start in reverse. What are the top 12 um, projects slash remodel? I don't know if I'd call some of them remodel, more of a project that will get you more return uh, for your dollar. Now, this is interior only. They actually have two separate studies, one for interior, one for exterior. Number 12, closet renovation. Closet renovation, maybe putting shelves in, rearranging it, do some of that space saver stuff. I probably agree with that. Number 11, top projects that will get you more on resale, insulation upgrade. I probably agree with that. And from a home inspector standpoint, where you get the most bang for your buck there is the blown insulation in the attic, as far as cost versus the benefit. That's usually your best thing. It's not too terribly expensive, and the energy return is great. Number 10, attic conversion to living area. Woo! That is number 10. That's a pretty hefty one because that involves permits and a couple of other things. Also, if you're going to convert something to a bedroom, you got to have a certain amount of closet space, certain amount of windows size. You got to look into that. You just can't, finish out a room and call it a bedroom. Um, that's number 10, but ooh, that's an expensive one. Number 9 of top 10 projects to increase value on the resale, or that will increase, is hardwood flooring refinish. I like that one. Love that one. Especially if you have, oh, I got some on mouth there, sorry. An older home. I know we bought an older home, pulled up the carpet, and there was hardwoods there, had that refinished. Awesome, awesome. Ask around for the best people. We found somebody. We put the question out there on Facebook. Uh, Number 8, new wood flooring. Number 8 on the list of top projects or remodels to get you more money on resale would be new wood flooring. I know a lot of people like that gray that's kind of in now. Uh, we have a little area out by the pool that my wife bought this stuff that looks like wood flooring, but it's not even wood flooring because people are wet and stuff. It's kind of a ceramic thing, but it looks like wood, and it's fantastic. Love it because real wood would warp and that sort of thing. All right, so far we got closet renovation, insulation upgrade, attic conversion to living area, hardwood floor refinish, new wood flooring. Now we're up to number 7. I'm counting them down backwards. And I know what the realtors are thinking. I know what number 1 and number 2 is. We're working there, but it may not be what you think. According to the NAR study, don't be mad at me. Be mad at the study of the NAR. New wood flooring. Add a new bathroom. Ooh, yeah, that would increase the value, but that's going to be expensive. That's going to involve some permits, some plumbing, some add a new bathroom, or I don't know, but you just can't do that without permits, and you need a professional contractor. That was number 7. Number 6, basement conversion to living area. Again, I love this. If you have a basement that can be converted to a living area, but again, you're gonna have to pull permits. Just make sure you do it right. If you don't pull permits on something like that, I mean, you may not be able to get insurance, and if you had a fire, insurance may not cover it. So definitely pull permits whenever you make an area unfinished to a finished living area. You need to pull permits and do it the right way. So that was number 6. This is number five, and I thought this would be number two. Bathroom renovation. Bathroom renovation. I really thought that would be number two. Um, but NAR has it at number five. Obviously, everybody likes updated bathrooms. We went to sell our house. We had to change out all the brass fixtures. We changed the shower to one of those seamless showers, and I never even took a shower in it. That's I wish I would have done it like 5 years before we sold it, so at least I could have enjoyed it. And our house looked great. On the good side, though, we did change the countertops out like 5 years before to granite, so we did get to enjoy those. And that might be a hint to number one. So number five is bathroom renovation on remodels projects that bring you more in resale. Number four is a new master bedroom or master suite. Again, this is going to involve permits, and I don't know if you're going to knock out a wall to try to create. I've seen that happen, or you're trying to add on. Again, permits, lots of money there. But you have to do a study and see how much would that increase the value, and can you justify it. And if the answer is yes, and right now the interest rates are so low, you can pull equity or get a home equity line or a construction loan or something, and then if it will sell for as much or near as much, I mean, for the cost, man, that's a pretty good idea, and you're increasing the equity. Um, Number three, and this is shocking. This is really shocking. HVAC replacement. That's number three. I, I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm all for HVAC replacement, but that would increase. I mean, you would get. I don't. I mean, it's working or it's not. I mean, we all love but that would be ahead of a bathroom remodel. I don't. I don't. I mean, most buyers just care that it's working. I mean, yeah. I mean, we would like to have a newer system, but if I asked 10 buyers, would you rather have a new HVAC or in an old bathroom, or an okay moderate HVAC in a modern bathroom? I think 99% would go for that second one, but their study, not mine. Number two, kitchen upgrade. We did that to our house. Countertops, cabinets, resurfacing, or new fixtures can do a lot, can do wonders. But number one is a complete kitchen remodel. And I agree with one and two. I just think bathrooms should have been three. And I'm not sure what new HVAC is even doing in the top 10. Don't get me wrong, I like new HVAC, but really, that increases the value. I mean, I don't get that. But anyway, I'm sure I'll probably get a nasty email from somebody in that business. "Oh, what do you mean that's not a top 10?" But those are the top 10, according to NAR, projects or remodels that fetch that in resale, that mean the most. That you could, I've seen some studies that say you get 125% on kitchens and bathrooms, and maybe even less on some others, but close, 70, 80, 90% of what you spent. But the big thing is, I hate when you do it just for resale and then you didn't get to enjoy it. I always thought, if you know you're going to sell in the next 5 years, go ahead and do those things now so you get to enjoy them for a while if you know you're going to do them for resale anyway. I do want to close this with that. That's interior. The exterior would be a different, um, you know, a different program altogether. And there's a bunch of different things, but I've always thought the easiest, I've always heard this from realtors, is a new front door and a little bit of landscaping in the front yard, pine needles, maybe some bushes, that sort of thing can go a long way. But that's not number one on the list. Number one on the list is a new roof. Who would have thought, for exterior? But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope that was valuable. You can find this list of projects on NAR studies. I have a whole lot of interesting studies on their National Association of Realtors. But anyway, I hope you guys are having a great Tuesday out there. If you ever have a home inspection question or a house question, please contact us, homeinspectioncarolina.com. And if I don't know the answer, I'll try to put you in touch with somebody who does. We also have a realtor's resource with a whole bunch of checklists, seller's inspection checklist, walkthrough checklist, a lot of freebies to download, and you guys are welcome to use them yourself. You can even put your logo on it if you like. So anyway, thanks a lot. And thank you for watching.